full market cycle. This picture illustrates a full market cycle. See how motive and corrective waves nest within each other to form larger waves, and the basic pattern of 5s and 3s are repeated over and over again. We can build larger and larger waves based on the same principle. This form building is constant and repetitive. Waves can be categorized by their relative size, and in Elliott parlance, by degrees. Thus, 5 waves of 1 degree form a motive wave of a larger degree, and 3 waves of 1 degree form a corrective wave of a larger degree. These larger degree waves will again string together to form a wave of yet another larger degree. This pattern can also be said to represent markets at all stages. We could fit the present market position at some point into this pattern and have a fairly reasonable forecast of future market movements. This picture presents the true essence of R.N. Elliott's pioneering work. Though idealized, you will observe later that markets move within the above complete cycle, and it is a very easy task to pinpoint the present position and forecast where the markets are likely to be when the pattern and cycle end. Within the broad classification of motive and corrective waves, we need to understand the different kinds of motives and correctives to analyze the market in detail and also narrow down on the probable wave formation likely to unfold. Our task is greatly complicated as markets are unfolding on all degrees at the same time, and it needs a certain amount of skill and understanding to pinpoint the present market position.